Boo! Didn't I scare you? Tell me the truth. I scared you or no? Okay, whatever. Don't you think these claws are so amazing that you can scare them, even scratch Ella's head? In this video, we'll be learning how to make these claws. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Fun and Love with Mahi. So, for these type of claws, how to make is take any type of paper, keep it in a portrait form, take this corner and keep it here. After this step, take this corner and keep it here. This to here. Now, you see these two flaps still open. Take one of the flap and keep it exactly near the line. Same thing with the other flap. After these two flaps are closed, take this half and fold it. After this is done, fold it. Now you'll have a nice triangle. Now open it. So you see this line in the middle. Now just like an aeroplane, fold it in the half. Now roll it, roll it. Now observe this carefully. This part is there, fold it like this near this open hole. Now this open hole, keep your finger inside and take it out. Now you have a nice open flap. Now keep this flap inside this so it will be locked up. Push it firmly. After this, you might be wondering how to open it. You see this little flap? Open this. And you have a nice claw. For these claws, I made 10 of them. Hello friends, I was telling you about these 10 claws. How do I look? It feels so amazing. It feels also very innovative and I am also being creative at the time. For these claws, you can color it, paint it, and you can have a lot of innovative ideas. Like you can write your friend's name in each claw, or you can also color it first, then make it will look amazing as well. You can also give it to your friends if they like it. And there's also one nice idea. Scare your siblings. These claws are very amazing. Please try them at home. Be creative, be innovative, stay home and stay safe. Until we meet again on Fun and Love with Mahi. Bye!